Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is going to be brought to you by Michael, one of our partners here at Cryptopia, and he's going to be bringing you fast and informative tutorial and how-to videos on everything crypto. I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you stick around to the end and hit that like and subscribe button. Over to you, Michael.
Hey Cryptopians, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going over Kucoin and doing a little bit of trading. Just to give you a little tutorial about Kucoin, it's not a centralized exchange, but it's also not a decentralized exchange. It's actually a hybrid of the two. So it means you can actually get some service, also a little bit of reliability. I recommend using this as a stopgap in between storing your crypto on a decentralized wallet or a cold storage wallet. So we're going to go ahead and get into doing spot trades on Kucoin today. It's a small tutorial. Starting here at the home page in Kucoin, we're going to go up to trade, spot trading. Okay, now that we're here in spot trading, you can see that we're on Bitcoin to USDT or Tether. We're going to switch that and a little trading on, we're going to go ahead and trade some Arbitrum today. So in the search bar here, we can search it. As you can see, it's at the bottom there, but let's just go ahead and enter the ticker. ARB. As you can see, we have the different versions here of the Arbitrum. We're going to go ahead and do the ARB/USD 10x. The 3x long and 3x short is if you want to long and short it with 3x leverage. So as you can see here, we've pulled up Arbitrum, and overall, it's not gone really crazy on the 8-hour chart. We're going to go ahead to the different indicators here. We're going to go ahead and switch to the 1-minute chart where it's going to show a little bit more activity. And as we zoom out, we can see that Arbitrum's really started to take off here, and it's come back down and kind of found a settling point, and it's almost at a point of where it's either going to break one way or another, where we're consolidating something fierce. So if you look over here to the right, we have our order books and recent trades and market depth. This is our order book of everything, quantities that people are selling. As you see down here in the bottom right corner, we've selected spot and limit. So we're going to be doing a limit purchase for this tutorial. Limits can be done as purchases or sells. That's what you see here. Order books, all of these are limit sells here, and these are limit purchases. So should the price drop down to this price here, then it will fill the order within the order book and people's purchases will be made. If it rises to these numbers here, you're going to be able to sell whatever you have listed at that sale price. So today we're just going to do a limit purchase. As you can see, the price currently is 1.64 per Arbitrum. We're going to go ahead and throw in a buy order at 1.64, and we're going to go ahead and say buy 1,000 Arbitrum. Now, as you can see here, it's going to tell us what we have available, what we're actually spending. And to initiate this, we need to click the buy button. So we're going to go ahead and click that buy button. And now that we've clicked the buy button, our order is in place. And should the market price drop to 1.64 soon here, we'll be able to fill that order and have our 1,000 Arbitrum. And as you can see, it's dropped down, and we've been able to purchase our Arbitrum using a limit purchase. And now if we wanted to sell that Arbitrum, we could go over here and enter a limit amount, say 1.65, and do 1,000 of them. Click sell. And now, as you can see, it's listed our sell in the pending here. When the price goes back up to 1.65, we'll be able to fill that order, that sell order, and have made a amount of profit. And that's how you do a limit buy and sell on Kucoin. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to be doing many more of these tutorials on how to use exchanges and do buys and sells and basic operations within the crypto space. Please join us in our Telegram or Discord, where we hold ICO and seed sales quite often. You can check out some of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Please leave the questions or comments in the section below, and we'll see you in the next video.